hope you enjoyed the first part of this video, and now I'm going to be doing a hamster haul for you. So I actually only got 2 items from IKEA, the first of which is these pack of 5 tea light holders. The next thing I got from IKEA I didn't actually pay for, but I just saw it lying on the shelf, and it is corrugated cardboard. This is great for making a DIY hamster boredom breaker. I will insert a video on the screen of how you make it, and it's just really good for keeping your hamster stimulated, and it's completely free. The next things are things that I've bought throughout the week, and the first thing is I went to a really large pet store and I bought this corrugated tunnel. This is great for stuffing treats and seeds inside, and your hamster has to chew away at it to get the seeds out, and it's a really good boredom breaker. My order from Roo's Munchies arrived. This is the seed mix I use for Hermione, and I needed some more, so I ordered it off of Etsy, and it arrived within 3 days, so that's amazing delivery. I then went to a different pet store, and they had this coconut chips substrate. This is the substrate I've been looking around for a while, and it was really good price. It was £9 for this large bag, and I've actually used quite a decent amount of it already, and I would say it's really soft and really good quality. It's not dusty. The last things in this haul are 3 whimsies. I got 1 alligator and 2 toothbrush whimsies. These are just so good for keeping your hamster entertained whilst chewing them, and also good at keeping their teeth down. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!